I'm going to do a quick video of 3640 34th Avenue South. And hello, you have a mirror right inside the door. Forget about that. This beautiful baluster. Oh, isn't that pretty? Unusual wallpaper from Italy. And the living room has, this whole house has all its original woodwork. None of the woodwork's been painted anywhere. And really gracious room sizes. The plate rail is really fabulous. And then there is a full shade for this window. We just have it open today for light. And then the den has duet shades. This also has new windows here that are the tilt in. All of the windows tilt in. Closet, so you could, with the door on, you could use this as a fourth bedroom or a guest room, main floor. And new light fixture, not new to the house. The kitchen has butcher block countertop and a new gas range. It's really lovely. And the original pantry has all been painted. Has the marble and original unused juicer from 1970 though. 50-year-old juicer that's never been used. Can go with the house. There's tons of pantry storage space here. And then the entry to the backyard, we will have a deck put on at buyer's request to cover up the steps. There is plenty of room to add a better garage. The garage door works. The garage is useful for one car. It doesn't have a garage door opener. But notice it's a corner lot. You could easily have 2 or 3 car garage and still have a yard, a fenced yard. There's storage here for boots and such, or your garbage containers. The farm sink. There's some nice little details on the cabinets. The original sink, farm sink, and new faucet. I think we'll go down before we go up. It is a circular pattern here. Down here, this still needs to be painted, but there is another back door, which is really nice to be able to come down into the basement if you're in the garden and clean up. And there's plenty of room to finish this off. Lots of windows in this space, and new electric, new furnace, bathroom updated here and upstairs, new water heater, new plumbing. There's this, it's useful little bath. You'll see all our new plumbing up above. This pipe's just painted. That's new, but it looks better. And laundry, gas dryer hookup will give $1,000 towards the laundry appliances if you choose. And then there's a lot of storage here. There's an extra storage room back here that's not nice, but great space. Workbenches that can go away. But I think you'll see there's a lot of space that can be reimagined, and a good play area, storage area, craft area. And all the hardwood floors. The floors have been refinished on the main. Upstairs has wood floors under the carpet. And it's going to be buyer's choice what you would like to have done. There's 33 windows in this house. I don't know if I said that, but all the windows up here have been replaced. It's very sunny. This is like the main bedroom. The bedrooms are smaller, but there are 3. Nice tree out there. Nice tree out here. This used to have a king-size bed in it. Was pretty much most of the room. And decent-sized closets in all 3 bedrooms. And this one has a door to the porch, or to the back. Not really a proper deck, but you can go walk out on it. Fenced yard, again, you can see how much space is there. Another tree. And in here the bath has been redone, and new toilet, all new shower walls, sub walls, insulation and tile. and new window. And tons of storage right here. There's